wabarakatuh. Permission to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Dimas Aditya Faturrahman. With NPM 2241100X. My from class management 22. Here I will explain material about capital budgeting. Definisi of capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is a comprehensive process starting from planning to making the decision about spending funds whose payback period is more than 1 year or has a long term. Capital budgeting is a technique for evaluating various large investment projects. Next, is capital budgeting important? The capital budget is very important for company, among other things, because the fund spend will be tied up for a long period of time. The expenditure of fund actually cover large amount and it is difficult to resolve assets than have been as error in decision making regarding capital expenditure. Next, method as in capital budgeting. 1. Payback period. This is the time required for an investment project to return all the funds invested in the project. This PP method is the simple method for evaluating whether a project is feasible or not because it is a fast calculating method based on intuition and is commonly used in business. 2. Net present value method in PV. This investment appraisal method emphasizes measure how big the difference can be between the present value of an investment and the net cash flow generated during the life of the investment. Both operational and net cash flow at the end of the investment life. Terminal cash flow. Next, for profitability index. The profitability index or benefit cash ratio method is a method that has the same decision result as the NPV method. This means that if an investment project is accepted using the NPV method, it will also be accepted if it is calculated using the profitability index method. 5. Accounting rate of return. The accounting rate return (ARR) method measures the level of profit from the investment as the obtain the profit. The profit taken into account is the net profit after tax, earning after tax. 8. Factor that influence investment assessment in the capital budget. 1. Smooth cash flow. Investment a business usually pay attention to the cash flow that the business has. A good business is one with smooth cash flow, meaning there is no shortage of cash to pay various short-term obligations. A business with smooth cash flow means it has relatively good financial condition too. 2. Investment cost. Another thing that needs to be considered in investing is investment cost. These investment costs include administrative costs or other operational costs outside of capital. These costs will affect your investment return in the future. If the investment costs are like the profit you get will not be as big as you think. You pay these investment costs and will not experience a return. Only the investment capital will have a return. Next, 3. Purpose for investing. Investing goals are also a factor that will influence the success of your investment. The goal can be up to you, so as investor will definitely have their own wishes. 4. Length of time to invest. When investing, you definitely when to resolve to be asked for your next someday. Investment also have a time limit that you determine yourself. The best investment in a business is one that meets the promised return time. 5. Benefit to business project. The next factor that needs to be considered in investing is the use of the capital you deposit by the business owner. Make sure the business owner is committed to using the investment you profit as well as possible. Benefit of capital budgeting. Benefit of capital budgeting in general. The benefit of capital budgeting is to be able to know funding requirement in more detail. This is because funds are that up for a period of more than 1 year. That way, company can minimize over investment or under investment. To another benefit then is no less important than capital budgeting is that it can prevent error in decision making. 3. Benefit of capital budgeting. Help reduce risk and uncertainty. It consider a risk adjusted discount rate to profit certainly about cash flow. The benefit of capital budgeting also help management in understanding the complication and challenge of long-term proposal. Conclusion. Capital budgeting is a complex process of analyzing projects and determining projects that are included in a capital budgeting. Apart from that, capital budgeting is a planning and decision-making process regarding the payment of funds, where the repayment period is more than 1 year. Capital budgeting is included in the investment category. That's all my presentasi. I say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.